In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Manychat, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out or have been using Manychat for a while, knowing how to switch languages can enhance your user experience and is crucial for working in a multilingual environment. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Manychat website. You can do this by opening your browser and heading over to the Manychat homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Manychat account. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on that. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to Manychat's homepage or your dashboard if you've visited before. This is your main hub for managing everything within Manychat. From here, locate your profile. It should be easily visible, often represented by an icon or your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your profile options. In the drop-down menu that appears, find where it says Manage Accounts. This section is key for handling various account settings and customizations. Click on Manage Accounts to proceed. Now, as we continue, you're about to reach the crucial step. Within the account management settings, search for the language option. This is where you'll be able to see the list of available languages that you can select from. Click on Language to access the available options. Once you're in the language settings, you'll be presented with different languages that you can switch to. Select the language that best fits your needs from the list. Keep in mind that this change will affect the interface, so if you're working with a team, make sure everyone is informed of the switch to avoid any confusion. Finally, after selecting your desired language, save your changes. Manychat typically applies the changes immediately, so you should see the interface update to the new language almost instantly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the language in Manychat. Remember, revisiting these settings is just as easy if you need to switch back or choose another language in the future. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your Manychat experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.